wala ako, wag ninyo akong, let us not debate about human rights, about your rights. I know that. Mayor ako, abogado ako. I was one time a practicing lawyer, nagdidepensa rin ako sa may kasalanan. But it was my job. Kaso baliktad na ngayon, naging mayor ako, naging presidente ako, change role tayo ngayon. Ako na tigahabol sa inyo. Pati yung kumukuha ng picture ko, maganda siguro. Maganda rin ba yun siya? Kahit dalawa sana, ma'am. Yun, no, sa likod ninyo. May pusa siguro. Bakit nagkalampog yan? May pusa dito, no? Ang problema saan yan galing, baka kit-kit yan doon sa...
Clarify lang dun sa shoot to kill, because in your earlier pronouncements you said shoot to kill if they resist arrest. So is that order now of shoot to kill?
No,
just up to shoot to kill?
pag binasa kita ka dyan, bantay ka. I am not a court that would give you due process. Ang bunga ko ito, hindi ito proceedings, Carol. Ang bunga ko is open with words of warning and threats and intimidation and all, because it is my duty to inform the Filipino of what is happening in this country. Hindi ko kailangan yung due process mo dito. There is no process. Only when you are there in court, and you are now ready for trial, wala kang abogado, then bigyan ka. But bunga nga ako, pigilan ko lang, kasi due process. Ano due process? I have to tell the people, because that presidente ako eh. Now you have now about 500,000 addicts, and I have a problem to solve. Na huwag kang magamitin because you might be the solution at least part of the... At least may solution ako na isa. Tanggal, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay sa akin. Pag nabasa kita sa korte, that's warrant of arrest. Pag nagbinasa kita, I cannot prove it in court, but I know that you are the one. Validated dyan sa military, sa police, at may revalidation in order ko. Dahil ayaw kung baka sakali na yung gobernur ka, tapos ayaw maglapit yung mga pulis kasi, dikit kay mayor yan eh. But the problem is, alam ba ni mayor na itong katabi niya, itong kumpare niya, may negosyo siya. That is why I ordered a revalidation. Because it would be unfair kung politiko, kapag napahiran ka ng droga, you're finished. That is why I'm very careful. But I am not, under any law, obliged to remain silent just because there is due process. That's none of my business. I will tell the people of the Philippines of the danger that are lurking behind Baskisan paglakad. Now we have lost the right to walk safely. We have lost the right to ride on public conveyances. It's a hino-hold up. Why? Because of drugs. Sinasaksak pa, babae, lalaki. You think I'll accept that kind of... Well, I'm sorry. Carol, ikaw man talaga ang... Sabihin ko ulit sa'yo. Ito dito ha, sa presidents ko. Itaya ko ang honor ko, Carol, buhay ko, pati yung opisina mismo. Wala akong illusions na natanggalin ako dahil patayan. Wala ako. Tanggalin niyo ako, di okay. You want to be impeached? Fine. Go ahead. Oh, solve the problem. Sige kayo ang mag-solve. Oh, whatever there is, mutiny, fine. Huwag na tayo magpatayan. Sige, inyo na. Ako pa ang mag-share sa inyo. Raise your right hands and repeat after me. I am taking over this government. O sige, tapos you solve the problem. Yeah? Kaya ako niyo akong talagang, hindi naman ako desperado. Pero I am grieving for the people na, namatayan ako ng isang police. He was serving a warrant, drug case, pinatay. Simultaneous dito itong...
How is he?
Ha? Sabi ko, mabubuhay ka? Wala man, kasi yung Sabi ng doktor, ang heart niya malakas. Na siguro 2 at 3 asawa nito kung gumayon.
So he's okay.
Kaya mas mabuti para sa police pati military umibig ng marami para yung heart matatag talaga. Kaya ako galit dyan sa ano. Mayor ako, you've been around since we started together, media ka na. Kailan pa ba ako nagsinungaling basta itong criminality na? Hindi ako magpapipigil kasi we are fighting a grave crisis confronting the nation. Kung hindi ako, nung una ako yung taga Davao, extrajudicial killing, yung Davao, Verdugo, yung mayor dyan. Okay, we'll accept that. I became president. Inipit ko na lahat. O tignan mo anong lumabas. 500,000 plus addicts in this country. And you follow the rules about, I'm waging a war. I am now invoking the articles of war. Bakit kayo magpabaril?
But in a war, there is always collateral damage.
Correct.
How can we ensure that the police will not abuse?
Dito sa Davao, what was your guarantee na hindi mag-abuso ang military police? Sabihin mo nga sa akin.
So
Why?
I'm asking about the national.
Bakit? Ito ba sila hindi nasyonal? Bakit ang Davao o bakit walang abuso? Sige, what was the reason why ang Davao walang abuso, wala lahat?
So if policemen are found, if there are complaints that the policemen actually abused and actually, killed
Sila?
people in there.
Sabi ko nga sila ang mauna eh. Huwag mo nga. I'm serious. Huwag mo akong lukugin, kaya hindi ako luko-luko. Pag ikaw ang nandiyan ka, police ka, target ka, sabihin ko,
So you will be
priority
as
sila.
harsh, even more harsh.
That was my answer. I was asked daw yung sa debate, what will be your reaction? I'll be harsh. I think it was in Lasal. Correct. Kaya huwag na tayo maglaro-laro dito. Tapos na yung election. What was the meaning? Alam mo, wala akong partido, wala akong pera, wala lahat. And yet, I won by 15 million. My margin of victory was over my next opponent was 6 million. What does that mean to you? Hindi nila ako kilala. Niwala akong isang barangay captain, isang gobernador, isang congressman. Anong ibig sabihin Pilipino? Ang Pilipino is crying for justice. Justice, anong nangyari sa bayan niya? Bakit yung mga anak nila hindi na makalakad ng daan? Takot palagi, under stress na sa classroom, under stress pa pag-uwi. And you're always wondering whether something will happen to a daughter or son. So this is no longer a normal country. Because yung fear of, yung culture of fear, hindi niya manggaling sa akin. Dito, I will do it in such a way na matakot talaga kayo. Huwag kayong magsugal, ulitin ko kasi mamamatay kayo. Huwag kayong sumugal dito, maghanap ka na lang. Siguro fishing ko na lang doon sa Pacific Ocean. Dandahan ko lang doon, may makuha ka pang barakuda. May kilala mo ako, kasama tayo. You were with me in 1988. Anong sinabi ko noon? Drug pushers, criminals, kidnappers, out. Pag ayaw mong umalis, patay ka. O di patay. O ikaw tignan mo Davao ngayon. O ayan. Bakit yun? Look. Sinabi ko sa speech ko, I always refer to the flag of the Philippines. Magkaiba-iba ang salita natin, Ilonggo, Moro, Ilocano, ganyan. But what holds us together is the flag, one country. If you put a serious problem into the Republic of the Philippines, as serious as drug, pareho ng Mexico, you should read Ion Grillo. Ion Grillo. It's online. Basahin mo. Look what happened to the fractured states in South America. because of that. Look at Mexico. Tapos yung, ano pa yung, tampo pa yung ambassador. Ako, hindi ako taga Mexico. Mr. Ambassador, I was just reading Time Magazine and Asia Week and the Economic Monitor, by the way. I read a lot, and I do that before I sleep. What I say here is just what I got from the newspapers and the media. I'm not inventing stories. So, sorry if I have offended you, but ayan ang nababasa ko.